Gundel, Budapest's legendary restaurant, a place where tradition meets bold Hungarian flavor. In the last video, we kicked things off with the starters. Bold bites, packed with flavor, full of true Hungarian spirit. But now, it's time for the main event, the heart of the meal, the heavyweights. We start with Karpati fish, a refined take on pike perch, delivering the Danube right to your plate. This dish is all about balance. Golden, perfectly fried skin, topped with prawns, sautéed mushrooms, and shallots, finished with a drizzle of dill oil. And then there's the sauce, rich, creamy, built from fish bones and butter, the old school way.
So this is our special fish, Karpati perch with shrimps, with beautiful fresh mushrooms. I add it as the dill.
Freshwater fish, like pike perch, don't usually steal the spotlight. But this dish really makes you wonder why. It's bold, full of flavor, and a true tribute to local food culture.
So we're currently walking up to our ballroom. We call it Sisi, the Austrian-Hungarian emperor. And we're on the upper level of the house. Down there is the restaurant, where we divided the restaurant into two. The lower level is much more a cafe, and the morning and lunchtime, while the upper level is like the dining. And this is our magnificent, wonderful ballroom. It's all covered with gold, it's true gold. This is what it was in Hungary when the Austrian-Hungarian Empire was. The ballroom, the glamorous, and you can imagine people are dancing here.
I'm 100 years too late for that.
Next up, the legendary chicken paprikas. Maybe the most comforting thing you can eat in Hungary. Tender chicken, slow cooked in a rich, creamy paprika sauce, served with soft, hand-torn galushka dumplings. Simple, honest, unforgettable, like a warm hug on a plate.
What to say?
Nothing, just this is our traditional paprika chicken with a deep combination flavored caramel, onion caramel of chicken sauce. With side is galushka. The garniture pasta name is galushka, with cucumber salad.
So do you actually cut this pasta? But
Yeah,
am I supposed to like cut it with knife now? Because
No.
like if you're Italian, you shouldn't cut it, right?
No. You can cut it because like it's a little bit difficult to eat sometimes.
No, it's not.
Not?
No.
This is Hungarian cooking at its core. Real food done right, straight from the soul. All right, next up, Mangalica Wiener Schnitzel.
This is Mangalica cutlet.
Yeah, the typical funny name in Hungary, the Sunday meat.
Sunday meat.
Sunday, because the Hungarian families are almost all Sunday for lunch do cutlets. It's important for us.
Now, Mangalica isn't your regular pig. It's Hungary's heritage woolly pig, fatty, juicy, full of flavor, and absolutely worth the hype. So they take this glorious pig and fry it just right, golden, crispy outside, tender inside.
It's a Bécsi style.
Bécsi in Hungarian is Vienna. That's a Hungarian name for Vienna.
Yeah.
Bécsi.
Yeah. So on the side, parsley flavored, creamy boiled potato with mixed with butter, and red beetroot, pickled red beetroot. On the top is horseradish. It's not spicy, but it's a really nice herb to do interesting.
kick.
To do interesting.
Now, yeah, Wiener Schnitzel came from Austria, but Hungary took it, ran with it, and made it their own. It's part of the DNA now.
It's really simple flavor, really simple things, but when you eat it together, I think the combination, it can be really fresh.
In this house, in the upper level, this is where the family was living. And we have so many dedicated rooms, but one we actually kept as untouched as possible. The walls, the pictures, and papers from their lives. So basically, you can find all these diplomas, newspapers, passports I see down there.
It smells lovely. I love the smell.
Yeah, and this is the original true pieces. So that's Charles with his wife and the original picture. They look lovely, right? A lovely couple.
And finally, Bakonyi beef, named after the misty Bakonyi Mountains in western Hungary. Earthy, bold, and built to stand up to a serious glass of red. Beef, mushrooms, Mangalica lard, sour cream. Big flavors, no fluff.
Here's the Bakonyi style of the beef. The side dish is a chusa. Chusa is a pasta with cottage cheese. This is sour cream. Mangalica cracker.
This is wipe the plate plain food. Heavy on taste, light on pretension.
Paprika oil. Fresh Mangalica salad.
This is the kind of dish that doesn't care about trends. It just wants to taste good, and it does.
Yeah, this is the last main dish today. Is the Bakonyi style beef with chusa, with cottage cheese flavored chusa. The chusa is the typical Hungarian pasta.
No, not that sad supermarket stuff. Real Hungarian noodles, hand-torn, rustic, made to soak up every drop of that sauce.
Cooked like this, mixed with cottage cheese, and then we baked a little bit to get crispy and the caramel flavor also. Served with sour cream, cracker of Mangalica. I think also it's a good combination with this mushroom sauce.
You want flavor? That's where it lives. This isn't about reinventing anything. It's about doing it right. Just real food that tastes like it means it. These mains, they're the backbone of Hungarian cooking. Hardy, bold, built to satisfy. In part 3, we dive headfirst into Hungary's sweetest, most irresistible sins. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, then stick around, you're gonna want to see this.